Hi everyone, Keri TV here again. All right, so we have a market update today. If you haven't heard, things remain excessively hot, unlike the rest of the country where it's freezing. But the housing crisis remains the main point of contention for home buyers across Los Angeles, across California, and the US. I am Keri White, real estate agent in Los Angeles, and we discuss everything housing market related and lifestyle on this channel every week with consistent updates, along with some fun things here and there in between, of course. When is the market crashing? When is it slowing down? Despite the doomsdayers out there, we are seeing home sales remain solid for October. Prices started to ease into their seasonal pattern, of course, and leveled off as a continuously low interest rate enticed buyers to enter and remain competitive in the housing market. Okay, so a lot of stats here. The median price for a home in California was $798,440, and year-to-date statewide home sales were up 13.4% in October. Although sales have slowed compared to last year, sales continue to stabilize and outperform the pre-pandemic levels from 2017 to 2019. Isn't that insane? Slower sales suggest that the market is returning to its typical seasonal norms, right? Happy holidays. Further market normalization can be expected in the coming months, which we would love that because it has been such an insane year. We've got a graph here to show you some of those stats. The total active listings, homes available for sale, had a double-digit decline in October of 2020. So that is a lot of properties not coming on the market. This means that we need a lot more inventory, as I've been saying. Year over year, we saw a negative 18.3% change year over year in active listings. That means there's 18.3% less properties on the market now than there were last year. Again, please bring us some homes to sell. We would love to sell them for you. This housing crisis is honestly huge. However, the seasonal market, per usual, slows the sale price to list price ratio a little bit, and it's actually at its lowest it's been in 8 months, which is ironic because that ratio is 101.5%, which is 1.3% increase since last year. So although the list price to sale price ratio is lower, it's actually still insane because it's 1.5% over asking. Wild. Thinking about selling? Call me. So our time on market did go up by a day to 11 days. Yes, the average days on market is 11 days. What can you do in 11 days? I'm sure you can't even pack one box. So it is going insane out there. It was hovering around 9 or 10 days previously in the past few months. Now it's 11. So yes, when people say the market's slowing down, that's probably what they mean. And it doesn't really call truth to what exactly is happening out there. As you know, homes are selling quickly over asking. And the most important fact here, it's not about the price of the home, as we know, it's the interest rate. The slightest change in those will dramatically increase or decrease your monthly payment. And that is the important thing to follow here, are the interest rates. Where interest rates are still insanely low, they're still dramatically lower than they have been in history, but they inched up a bit to 3.14% on a 30-year fixed, which is the most common type of loan. The 15-year fixed is at 2.44%, and the 5/1 adjustable arm remained low at 3.13%. Experts see these rates rising, especially considering the dramatic effect inflation is having on the economy. Has anyone seen the price of gas, or the price of goods, or furniture, even your local restaurant? We were ordering food the other day, and the prices had gone up at our local spot. Inflation is a serious thing here. Nothing too much different around here, but a sizzling hot market where buyers are sacrificing more and more to get into that house they want. If you're looking for a crash, who isn't trying to score a deal, right? Trust me, the economists are not predicting that this is your future. And what does this mean for housing? It means we need more building, less restrictions, more construction, and more reform in your local governments, because there's a lot that needs to be done to help out with this housing crisis here. As always, I will be back with more updates, and I wish you all a very healthy and safe holiday season. And as your holiday gift to me, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel and comment and tell me what you think or what you're nervous about or have questions about with the market. Cheers, everyone. We'll see you next week on Keri TV.